Hello friends, welcome to ASV Max and Dynamics YouTube channel. I am Sebastian. Today I explain the concept maximum and minimum. So before I explain the concept, all of you, please you like and subscribe and share my YouTube videos, and this is useful for my future life, and also you can get the good mathematics concept and you can learn more. So please all of you do like and subscribe and share. Thank you. Come to the point. So maximum and minimum for the single variable. For example, a function f of x, it is a only one variable. This is a variable. So at the same time, if you know this is a two variable, now I explain. A function f of x has a maximum for the single variable means the condition at a point c, if f dash of c equal to 0 and f double dash of c should be negative. For a single variable f dash of c, f dash of means you have to find the function first derivatives, you substitute the point, then you equate the 0, and also the second derivatives when you substitute the point at the same time it should be negative. In the condition satisfied, you can call the single variable function is maximum. At the same time, a function f of x as minimum means when you substitute the single point, plus of c is equal to 0, f double dash of c should be negative positive. If you get it, you can call it the function, a single variable function is minimum. But in the double variable, x and y, it is a two variable. This is the two variable. When you find the maximum value at, if you take two values, and the two values, and also you take the l and m, a small value, if you add and put it in the function, then subtract, then you put it in the point in the function. If you find the subtraction, if you get it positive, then you can call it is a maximum values. But at the same time, you have to think the l and m is a small values. So how you can find and reach the maximum and minimum the two variable function means, first of all you have to find the function with respect to x and also with respect to y. Both functions separately you have to equate the 0, and also you have to substitute the points. This is the way. And just to come to see the procedure of the maximum and minimum of two variable function, first of all you have to find the first derivative with respect to x, with respect to y, the function. This is the first step. Then you have to equate the 0, derivative of with respect to x equal to 0, the function derivative with respect to y is equal to 0, and then you have to find the points. After that you have to do the continuous of the second derivatives with respect to x, that at the same time you can get the dou squared f by dou x squared, it is called a. And dou squared f with respect to in the y function, one more time if you differentiate with respect to y means you can get the second derivatives, and this is the c. When you find the dou squared f by dou y squared, you can put the notation c. And also you find one more term b, when you find the function with respect to x, that this is the first derivative of x, you do the differentiation the same function with respect to y, you can get the dou squared f by dou x dou y, this is the b. So now it is very important, the second derivatives, a, b, c. Why I have taken the value? Because our condition ac minus b square, it will come likewise, so that I arranged this order. You don't confuse this. A means second derivative with respect to x, c means second derivative with respect to y, b means with respect to x and y. This is the common point. So after that you substitute the points in the function, what you are getting the value, just you keep it in your yourself. Then what is the next step? So this is the condition, you check properly, AC means A means second derivative with respect to x, C means second derivative with respect to y. You have to multiply the values after substituting the point. You have to multiply the values, subtract with b square means with respect to x and y, but it is a second derivative, so you have to calculate the values. It must be positive, otherwise greater than 0. So the meaning, it in the value always it will come the positive, no negative. Positive means the you go to the check the condition. The a value means it is, you know very well, it is a separate any one, a or b. A means second order with respect to x, b means second order with respect to y. So both otherwise any one, it will come the negative point after substituting the point. It is a negative, but in this condition is positive. You can call it is a maximum at a point. At the same time, if you find one more time the condition is positive or greater than 0, then the a and b, it is also positive. Here the points also positive, condition positive, and the points also positive means it is a minimum at a point a comma b. But the condition is negative. When you see the condition negative, you can come to the conclusion neither a function is maximum or nor a minimum at a point, but the condition negative means you can come to the point it is a saddle point. You have to call saddle point. At the same time, the condition, it is a very important, the condition is equal to 0 only three ways. One is positive, another one is negative, another one is equal to 0 means in the investigation no need to necessary, this is the it is not possible. So positive means both condition must be come to the positive, but one is the point a is less than 0 negative, otherwise b is negative means it is a maximum. But here anyone is positive means here also positive means it is a maximum, and less than the condition is negative means it is a saddle point or maximum or not a minimum, but it is equal to 0 means it is a no need to the further investigation we want to do it. So just to come to the see the problem, find the maximum and minimum of the function u equal to x square plus y square minus 3x. For this function, it is a function. For this function we want to find the function is maximum or minimum, what is the maximum point or minimum point. So you have to take the function, but here some mistakes. It is a positive, it is a positive so u equal to x square plus y square minus 3x. This is a function. First, what you have to find the function with respect to x, you have to derivative. With respect to means here that is a partial. When you do the differentiation with respect to x means in the partial derivative only you have to take the values x. Here y means it is like a constant. It is a x. So you have to differentiate. The power 3 means come to the front side, but you have to reduce the 1. That means 3x square. This is a value. Here x only 1. The power is 1 means it is a 1 minus 3. Then what you have to find with respect to y the function. So if you do the differentiation with respect to y means the 2 comes to front, but it is positive, so 2y. This is the first condition. Second condition, you have to equate the 0 the both function. This is the first, you have to find the derivatives with respect to x and with respect to y. Then second, you have to equate the zeros. So this is the equate the zeros. So before you have to find what is a, what is c, what is b. It is also useful. A means this, from this no need to go to there. From this you have to differentiate one more time. You can get here it is a constant, but here it is possible to do the differentiation with respect to one more time x. So 2 into 3 6, but in the x is x, because you have to reduce only minus 1, it will come 1, so it is a 1. Then c with respect to y one more time. Here y only y, so it will come 2. But you go to c, this is with respect to x one more time, this function you have to differentiate with respect to y, but here we don't have y, so it will come the 0. So these are the values in the notation a and b, c, you know very well, you have to keep it. And also you have to substitute the points, so you need the point where you can get the point. From this point you have to find. So come to substitute this point. First one, equate the 0 for this values. You can get this kind of equations. So from these things, the 3 come to the divided by 3, it will come 1. X squared equal to 1 means it will the positive and negative y, and there is 1. So here x equal to positive 1, x equal to negative 1. So go to the 2y is equal to 0. You have to equate, you can get the y is equal to 0. So right now the x and y value two ways, positive 1 comma 0, negative 1 comma 0, the 2 points. So first you take the point, you come to substitute these values. You have to find what is a value, what is c value, what is b value. Then one more time you have to substitute on next value, what is a, what is c, what is b. You have to find. You can get the values, then you check the conditions, it will come the negative or positive. Come to the next slide. A, if you substitute the point here 1 comma 0, first point is 1 comma 0, x is 1, y equal to 0, you can get it here, x equal to 1 means 6. Then next in this value means here c is always constant, so no need to put the point. C means here also already 0. So these are the a, c, b points. Come to the conditions. ac minus b squared, what is a? 6. What is the 2? 6 into 2, 12. What is b squared? 0. So it will come the positive. So here the condition is positive. So once again you go to check the values. So here the a is a positive. So here a is a positive. So both here and the positive condition also positive, the a is a positive. What is the condition? Both are positive means it is a minimum. The function is minimum at 1 comma 0. At the same time you have to find the minimum value. You go to substitute here also the equation is positive. So here u equal to x square plus y square minus 3x, you have to substitute the point 1 comma 0. You can get the minimum points. Here 1, here 0, here 1. So 1 minus 3 is equal to minus 2. This is so the function is minimum, but then the minimum point is minus 2. So next point, minus 1 comma 0, you have to substitute this equation. Minus 2, here it is a constant value, it is a constant value, you have to multiply the conditions. So here minus 2 minus 0, it will come the minus 12, so it is negative. So the condition is negative means it is a saddle point. This is a saddle point. It is not, it is in, sometimes this is the neither minimum nor maximum it will come. So we can call the points, it is a saddle point. So likewise you have to find the maximum minimum for any given function. So just you get it the point from the videos. You can also solve the problems. You follow my YouTube videos, you can get a lot of mathematical concept. I will give shortcut ways. So please all of you do the like and share and subscribe, and also click the bell button. If you give comments, I will ready to solve anytime. So please all of you do the same, follow my YouTube channel. Thank you so much.